ensure driving safety, you must fasten your seatbelt after.
Yeah. First time going to Macau by bus. Yeah. Lagi kaming pupunta sa Macau pero by boat. Ngayon lang yung bus. So, tignan natin yung bridge mamaya. Connected to Macau.